Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add signatures in Gmail. Yeah, so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. So to add signature to your emails in the Gmail, you have to go to the settings, and here you can see all settings. So you should click on that. Now you will see all the settings available for your Gmail account. Now if you scroll inside the general, if you scroll all the way down to here you can see option to add signatures. So you come here and click create new, and here you should specify the name of the signature. So here I'm just giving RD Tech Videos and then hit create. Now your signature is created, but not the entire one. So now we have to edit your signature, or rather you have to type in what exactly your signature should be. So what I would do is I will say thanks and regards RT Tech Videos, and then I say my changes. So now the changes are saved, and now if you want to compose a new mail, you click here and then this pops up, and if you click here, this shows all the signatures that you have created. For now we have one, so I will just click on that, and there you go, you have signature ready. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.